Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So today we're going to be taking a look at some equipment that has become very essential to me. If you're not aware, I'm spending the summer traveling off-grid, and having portable power is extremely important. Now this is from OmniCharge. It's called the 40 Plus. If you recall, a few years ago, perhaps some of you remember, I reviewed their 20 Plus, which was a pretty incredible power bank as well. Now this is not your father's power bank. This is more of a power solution. It has a total capacity of 38,400 milliamp hours, which that number is important because that makes it airplane safe. You can charge laptops, tablets, phones, action cameras, and even drones. But one really unique thing that the OmniCharge 40 Plus does is act as a USB-C hub. So you can plug this into your MacBook or laptop. You can then plug in multiple hard drives and charge your laptop and have access to all your data all at the same time. So that is actually a really unique feature. Now, unfortunately, that USB-C hub part does not work with iPads. I've tried multiple times and just cannot get it to work. Now, if we take a look at the front of the unit here, you can see we have 3 USB-C ports. That middle one there is your input and output. All 3 of these USB-C ports are capable of 100 watts. Beside that, we have 2 USB-A ports that are capable of 18 watts. In the middle of the unit, we have an LCD screen that gives us some basic information about input and output. And on either side of that, we have 2 arrows. One is how you turn on the AC, which we'll take a look at here in a minute. And the other button is how you enable the USB hub. And then at the very top, we have our power button. A long press powers on the unit. If you do a double press on it, it will bring up the menu system where you can go in and change settings. If we take a look at the other end here, we have our AC port, and that's again capable of 100 watts. And right above that, we have a DC port. That is input and output, so you can use it to power things that are capable of being powered from DC, but you can also use it to charge the device from things like solar panels. You can charge up to a maximum of 45 watts with a solar panel. Now, as mentioned, I'm spending the summer basically living as a nomad. I'm on the road a lot, I'm out in nature, and most of the time I don't have electricity. So having some good, reliable power is very important. After all, I run a YouTube channel, I have cameras to charge, my iPad to charge, and of course my drones to keep charged up. And this thing has been a real lifesaver. Not only that, I have flashlights and different things that need to be charged up on the road. I can power my air pumps and other things that need to be powered up. Now you'll notice it does have a very unique triangular design. Now that is by purpose because what you can do is set this on a table. You can then rest your laptop or your iPad on it while editing or typing, and it just gives you a more natural angle. It has a nice rubberized coating to it and it's very durable. Now having a large power solution like this isn't ideal for every situation. If you're just out doing some day hiking, you don't want to be lugging a big thing like this around with you. Although it is very lightweight, it still can be kind of cumbersome. In those situations, a smaller power bank such as a 5,000 or 10,000 milliamp hour is probably a better choice. But if you're looking for an everyday power bank power solution, then I do highly recommend the OmniCharge 40 Plus. Now it does have a fairly high price tag, but definitely well worth it. Now the OmniCharge 40 Plus has 11 levels of protection, such as temperature and voltage protection, so you know all your devices are going to remain safe. Now when you purchase it, you actually get quite a few accessories with it. First of all, you get a 65 watt wall charger, you also get a 65 watt car charger, and a USB-C cable. On top of that, you get a case that can hold everything inside. Now, as for what you can charge, it's going to vary depending on the equipment. According to their website, you can get 14 charges of action cameras, 2 charges of a 15-inch laptop, 4 charges of drone batteries. Of course, it's going to depend on the size of the drone battery, but this thing is full of power, and for most people, it's going to meet all their needs. I've been using it to keep all my cameras, drones, and editing equipment charged while on the road. So yeah, folks, just a quick look at the OmniCharge 40 Plus. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's always greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.